Assalamu alaikum, I'm Zeenat here with another vlog, and today we'll explore Büyükçekmece Park. So we reached out and the weather is so good. I'm loving these waterways. Let's go to this park. This is the fountain in the start of park, and it's looking so beautiful. So I was afraid of sitting on it and wanted to jump, but it was so high. But this was so cute, and there was cute little flowers with grass in the basket. I was twirling and I was feeling so cute and fabulous in this flary frock. So I was running back to my father as we were entering to the other part of the park. So I was tired because I was still steady and running since we came here. That's why I thought to sit and have some rest for a while before going to the park. So this is the other side of park, and it's full of greenery and has cute little red roses. So I plucked one flower and gave to my photographer with love. Me being extra dramatic, ha ha ha. After spending 3 hours in this park, now we are going back to home. As we was going back to our car on the way, an old lady stopped me and gave me some wafers and said some cute words, and I love this. On the way to our house, we stopped at a mart to have some grocery. And then my dad made this yummiest Cree turkey. So here we are having some playtime. Hope you like this vlog and give me your suggestions about which location should I record for my next vlog, and shower some love on this vlog. Bye bye.